Drives in here. We're going to start with optical and then move on to the serial ATA drives, the solid state, and the backup drive. All right, so let's get started with this one. This particular case has a nice little feature that essentially you can snap the little connections in with these little guys. This is actually quite neat. These things actually snap in. So what you do is you put those in the little screw holes. I think it goes either way.
Okay.
It should go right in. I think there you go. Yeah, see those two down there? You just put those in there. It's a neat little feature of this case. I like it. They kind of go in and then you turn the little, it locks in place.
Awesome.
That's pretty neat.
Goes that way?
I think that should do
Or
it.
it's upside down?
I don't know if it goes all the way. Oh.
Oh, it does.
Or maybe it does. This is really cool.
Right.
I like that. And it doesn't move. That's neat. I like that. Okay. Let's start with that one. And let me go grab the other drives. Don't mind the dogs.
You know this is live. From your home.
Let's do this one. I think these are the screws for this guy.
Oh.
It's a good thing there's no moving parts, huh? Glad you didn't do that with the other drive. There we go. So this is the right screw. So when do you say we put it? Motherboard's going to be up here. So we can put it down here. Why not? Yeah, you just put this guy in here. Let me grab you a screwdriver.
Where will this go? You just don't put it on just like that, do you?
Yes, just like that. And then you're going to put, you got to put the little, oh, did it snap in?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you'll need to.
Well, of course.
Not do that guy. Okay. All right. They sure do make this easy these days. Oh, there you go.
Well, the camera is still on me.
There you go. You want people to see what you're doing.
But do
You never know how exciting this might be to somebody sitting there going, oh my god, this is so exciting.
Look, it has nail polish.
Maybe so.
Next time
I didn't
we'll
do my
have
nails.
Hello Kitty.
Maybe so.
Or emojis.
Or emojis.
And I can get this inside.
Fail.
Fail! Get a new assistant.
Okay. Hey, at least they gave us screws.
Okay, next.
The other one didn't give us any screws.
Okay.
Alright. There you go. This is going to be a really simple build considering we don't have a whole lot of hardware to put in here. Okay. And this time we're going to do this in the right order. Last time we actually did it in a slightly awkward order where it made it a little harder for us later on, but a lot of it helped mostly to do with the case being kind of crappy. Nice. Okay, one more. Probably don't need to screw everything in. There's so little in these boxes, but whatever. All right.
Yeah.
There you go. Let's look at this next one. It's the other way. The other way. The other way. No. Actually, yes.
This way.
Like that. Sweet. Okay. Big drive. We're gonna do. What do you think?
Actually,
put it down here if you want. Why not?
Why not?
All right.
It's way too long.
And this one looks like it snaps in. So let's see. This goes up like that. So I guess it's. Yeah, it kind of snaps in. So.
It's not bad.
No, it goes down like it literally like folds and snaps
Well,
in
I'm
place.
sorry if I'm not looking at the camera and having to do this. This is not easy, you guys. Therefore,
Here, I'll put this up then.
you know, forgive me.
I got it.
But
I got it.
the camera girl is doing her work in here. I'm trying not to touch the spot.
No, it doesn't slide in. It snaps in.
Snaps? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it just kind of.
Oh, cool. This way?
Yeah, you got it. It just kind of snaps in like a little
Okay.
sled. It's a little awkward, but it does kind of snap in. There you go.
Yeah, we're gonna have an issue with this again.
There you go. I
Okay.
think you got it. All right.
She's got it. Do, 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 do. Yeah, baby, she's got it.
Yeah, so kind of just slide that puppy in like that. They do make it much easier these days. You don't have to chop your fingers apart. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna do the.
Oh,
Another-
that's fun. One of those.
Let's see. I'm thinking.
Over here.
Yeah, I'm trying to see where it. I'm
That
thinking it goes up like that.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try to.
Oh, I love this part. Yeah, that makes my job easier. If I scream, don't call.
Ice cream.
There you go. If I scream. Let's see if it doesn't go this way.
Can't quite get the right angle for the action here.
Can't turn it around too much.
It's okay.
Let's
Do your
scream.
best.
Oh dear God. Oh, I love my fingers.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, baby. Give it to me. I like this. Yay! First time.
Let's turn it around. See? Yeah, there you go. Nice.
Beautiful.
All right. Let's get started with the rest of it.
I didn't cut my fingers.
That's
Didn't
always
scream.
All right. Here we go.
Alright, people.
Gotta love it when a plan comes together. Or a computer, one of the two. All right. That was this. All right, we got two drives. We've got the optical. And I'd say let's move on to our power supply. Ooh, EVGA. Okay. Let's see. We need to put the fan
I'm gonna be his fan.
down like that.
Don't like that. Where do we put it in?
Just like that.
In what location?
It's down here, so you're going to put it down towards that area there.
Any screws in here?
Yes, we do.
Well, do we know? Alright. Where the heck am I supposed to put this on? Oh, right there.
Got it?
Beautiful.
A little further up, I think.
Nice. Well,
Yeah, because it looks like it screws towards the back. Unless it's got some kind of weirdness there. Where's the screwdriver? There you go. No, you got it.
I know. I'm awesome.
You got it.
Awesome.
Okay.
There's another screw on the other side, was it?
You have
Yeah,
there's
okay.
should be 4.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a little bit tough. The top area is not even touching this area.
Really?
No. No, you're fine.
I see what you mean. There we are.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
There we go.
There you go. All right.
You want me to hold it while you?
Please do. Secretary of Computer.
All right, guys. I know this is not too exciting. This is how it works. Once you get this heel in there, you should be good. Yeah. Very nice. This is much easier than the other one, I've got to say. Much easier.
Like,
seem to be that the quality of the case, it makes a big difference on how much fun you have on building these versus frustration.
Oh.
So just so everybody knows, I'm going to put a link to all of the hardware as usual. This particular case is Thermalake, so this is a good case. Actually pretty nice. It's machined pretty nice. It's nice and smooth everywhere. So even though it's sheet metal, it doesn't cut your hands to shreds. Alright.
Alright.
This looks pretty good. Alright. Yeah, I'd say you got it. Okay. Alright. Now moving on, we basically are going to move on to the board. Now in this case we're going to do the board separately and then come back to the case. If you want, you could plug the serial ATA in right now if you want to go ahead and do that. We can kind of move things out of the way. This is PCIe, CPU, so these all plug into the board. Now you've got those three. Let's say extra CPU. Okay, you're welcome to go ahead and plug the two power cables in, and I'll move the camera so people can see how your awesome work here.
So what does she do? She goes where? Just kidding. Not really. I need a little help.
Mr. Jasmine, PC extraordinaire.
Yeah. So where do I go?
Okay.
Forgot.
No, you didn't forget. Okay,
It's
so
over here, right?
basically, yeah. So you've got this is power. So let's go ahead and plug. We can actually give it some headroom if you want and plug the top one in. Let's see. So let's do that. Let's make it easy. This is intended to be as simple. Again, the person
Woman friendly.
well, not just woman friendly. The person that's going to buy it isn't a woman, so
Well,
but isn't doesn't want to have fuss when it comes to
I have a viewer
upgradability.
that is a woman, so
That's great.
yes, one viewer.
I am happy that we have a diverse audience. We celebrate diversity here.
We do.
Nice. Okay, so in making this easy, why don't you just go ahead and plug the third one in just so there's room. It's the same thing here. We'll just go ahead and give this empty one so if there's another.
I just have to check. I always check with your plugs.
Yeah. So if he wants to put another drive in there, he's got some power.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little. It won't let you put it in correctly.
No, I just need my lenses. I can't see.
Cool.
Okay, no here people. Alright.
Bathroom reading. Sorry. I love the manuals for these motherboards. Way too much. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Kind of sticks up a little more than I'd like, but alright. I'm hoping cable management's not going to be too difficult here. It doesn't look like it's going to be. Motherboard obviously is going to go in this space. Of course you can't see because I have my hand in the way. Going to go in this space here. We have, like I said before, this is a mini ATX case, so it's going to have plenty of space for this. So, alright, and oh, you know what we did not plug into, which you might want to do now? Let's go ahead and plug in the other serial ATA, because we need to power up the optical.
Right.
So,
What is that one?
that's right here. And I'm going to move the camera so they can see. Sorry guys for bumping around all over the stuff. We have a little bit of space issue here. Hoping at some point as things move along, we can potentially fund having a studio.
Ta-da!
There we go. That's actually good. We can fund having a studio and film this more professionally than we are today. But for now, this is humble beginnings. Isn't that how it always starts?
Dang it.
Yeah, it's probably the other way.
Yeah, I just figured it out.
Like I said, the cool thing is they don't let you plug it in incorrectly, so you can easily, you don't make a mistake and have it catch fire and explode in your face.
Well, since I don't have my reading glasses, I can't see well.
That's alright.
Therefore, forgive the eyes. Alright.
Alright.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! There we go. So we have some headroom, and we'll cable manage a little bit, and just get this out of the way.